Today we are making a modern, vegan Mandarin Petit Gâteau, clean citrus flavor, multiple layers and a shiny mirror glaze. This dessert is built in layers: a Mandarin gel core, a Mandarin crémeux, vanilla diplomat cream, almond sponge and a citrus mirror glaze. Start with the Mandarin gel insert. Fresh juice gives brightness, but citrus is acidic, which means structure matters. Make sure to strain your juice. In a pot, measure juice, zest, glucose. Separately mix sugar and agar and another separate mixture of cornstarch with some juice, just enough to make a paste. When juice is getting warm, add agar and sugar mixture. Agar needs full activation in acidic juices. Anything less than a proper boil will look set but collapse later. Add corn flour mixture to a boiling juice pot and heat it while stirring until it slightly thickens and should be boiling aggressively. Strain and pour into a small hemispheres. Freeze solid. Combine sugar, starch and agar powder. Add mandarin juice and coconut cream into the pot. Whisk powders into wet ingredients. Cook while whisking until thick, then hold at a gentle boil for 30 seconds to activate agar fully. Remove from heat, add cacao butter, vanilla and salt. Blend everything until it emulsifies, becomes smooth and shiny. This crémeux is smooth and lightly set. Cacao butter stabilizes the agar so it cuts clean and doesn't have this rubbery texture. Cool it to 35 to 38 degrees before assembling. Heat oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Whisk dry ingredients. Add liquids and mix until smooth. Spread thinly on a parchment-lined tray, around 4 to 6 mm thickness. We do not want sponge to be too thick. Bake everything for 8 to 10 minutes. If it springs back, it's baked perfectly. Add plant milk into a pot, leaving some to make cornstarch slurry. Add sugar and vanilla paste into the pot with milk. Cook until it starts to simmer. Add cornstarch and boil fully for about a minute. Remove from heat, blend in butter and cool to 30 degrees Celsius. When the cream is chilled to desired temperature, whip plant-based whipping cream to stiff peaks. And fold pastry cream into whipped cream. Prepare for assembly by removing your frozen gel insert. Prepare all your creams into piping bags. Pipe 1/3 of the Mandarin crémeux into each mold. Insert the frozen Mandarin gel. Cover with another thin layer of crémeux. Tap molds to flatten any air bubbles. Top it off with vanilla diplomat crème. Tap molds again. Close the mold with a disc of almond mandarin sponge and freeze fully, ideally overnight, to obtain clean demolding. Mix sugar plus agar together. Heat mandarin juice to 40 degrees Celsius and whisk in the dry mix. Bring to a full boil and boil for 1 minute to activate agar. Remove from heat and let cool to 50-55 degrees Celsius. Pour oil into a tall container, place in the fridge for minimum 1 hour. Remove oil from fridge or freezer, keep it cold at all times. Drip droplets of warm mixture one by one into the cold oil. Bring liquids plus agar to a boil. Add chocolate and emulsify. Glaze is ready when it reaches 36 to 37 degrees Celsius. Always blend before using the glaze. To finish up, I added lightly crushed roasted almond slices, caviar on the top, finally some gold leaf. I like my dessert finishes quite minimal. Full recipe and measurements are in the description, and please consider subscribing and joining me on this sweet journey. Thank you!